Okay, Cordell, I think this is what you need to do. I'm in a Google Doc. I don't use Google very often, but I think all you need to do when you share is you need to check the permissions down here. So anyone with the link, so you're going to send the link can view, comment, edit. Anyway, this is that's kind of the area in which you play around. I couldn't get in. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me show you what I did. Okay, like when I click on, so I see you need access, request access. I think you didn't give me access, or maybe you did with my school address, and you need to use my Gmail address, which is right here. Not exactly sure what you need to do, but I know you need to go back into that share button and fiddle around with it, and maybe use my Gmail.